If anyone wants to sue you and take your tunic, let him have your cloak also. Ano yung tunic? Yan yung inner shirt. Ano yung cloak? Yan yung parang jacket. Now, this is totally strange. Yes? Kinuha na nga yung shirt mo, bibigay mo pa yung jacket mo. Ito may batas doon. This is in Exodus. Na kung nakuha mo yung cloak, kailangan mong ibalik. Kasi paano siya matutulog? Parang blanket niya yan. Okay. Kinuha nila yung tunic mo, bigyan mo din yung cloak. Anong sinasabi dito? Ang sinasabi dito is, hey, if there is injustice, you have to point it out. Yeah? Don't allow it just to happen. If there is injustice, call it out.